Folks, if you don't follow Taylor from Life Goal Investments, you are truly missing out on Instagram and or TikTok. He put out a post the other day that I'm going to ask him about. We had just talked about Apple entering the banking via Goldman Sachs, right? 4.15, all of that. Then this crazy guy puts out a video talking about Starbucks being the best bank in the country. And I'm like, dude, I don't get it. What's going on? I didn't know Starbucks was a bank. What's going on, Taylor?
You've got a screw loose, Taylor.
Hey, what are you doing?
So the Apple one is legitimately banking. The Starbucks one is kind of a tongue-in-cheek type comment. But wait till you hear it. This is the best bank there is. If I'm going to run a bank, I want it to be run exactly like this. So anyone who so Starbucks is the #1 of any retailer of people using or putting money on a gift card or on the app. Okay. And so what happens when you put money on the gift card or the app is you give your currency directly to Starbucks at that point, and they start utilizing it for whatever it's worth. And so what you have to realize is that last year, I'm sorry, it was 2021 data. In 2021, there was $1.6 billion put on the Starbucks gift card or app.
Okay.
10% of that money was not used. And that is over time, the average that they've seen year on year is a 10%, and what they call it is breakage. So 10% of whatever they have outstanding on their gift cards or on their apps, they allow to hit their bottom line as 100% gross profit on an annualized basis. Every year it rolls 10%, 10%, whatever the outstanding is, bang, that hits the bottom line. Law of large numbers, they've seen it for years now. This is the amount of money that gets spent on the gift card and on the app and does not get used.
So they're kind of double winning. So again, what they could do is the money comes in, they can lend it to the Fed, get 5% overnight, blah, 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 just like JP Morgan did with whatever the net interest margin. But they also have people losing gift cards, forgetting about gift cards, getting destroyed, breakage. Wow.
Give me $10. And guess what the ultimate downside is? The ultimate downside is they use it to buy coffee, and it's an $8 coffee, and the gross margin on that is absurd itself. Now it's like a win. Doesn't matter where you turn. Starbucks wins.
Wow, gift cards. I had no idea it was that much. I had no idea it was that much, and there was that much breakage.
So they have, and again, to reiterate my point, it's not that everyone else doesn't use gift cards and experiences the same thing. They just have done a really good job of incentivizing and make it very easy. The app, you just put your phone up against the thing, it goes click, and bang, you've purchased your coffee. And so from an ease of use standpoint, they've implemented this in a better way and encouraged people to use it in a more efficient way than everybody else. And therefore the breakage that they experience that goes to their bottom line is so much higher than everybody else.
Oh, it has to be. I was just thinking out loud. I think I've collected, I don't know, a dozen Starbucks gift cards for Christmas or whatever, thank you cards. And I don't really go to Starbucks. I think their coffee is a little bitter for me, but I'm like, yeah, I'm part of the breakage.
It's, you know, what's funny. So I used to go around and have meetings with folks, and every meeting I would literally set down a $5 or $10 gift card at Starbucks. Hey, thanks for your time. You know, like, it's valuable to me. I appreciate you. Get a coffee on me. How many of those got thrown in the trash, or not thrown in the trash, but got thrown in the drawer and forgotten about? No one threw them out, but you know, but at the same
they didn't
time,
throw them out, but
lost and forgotten about.
Dude, I need to go to my desk. I should regift those things. Yeah,
I got to do something.
I should do that. Well, Taylor, that was very fun. Again, you do a lot of fun stuff, a lot of thought-provoking stuff on Instagram. What is your page? And what's your page?
Yeah, follow us at Life Goal Investments. We're both on Instagram and on TikTok. Having a lot of fun over there, trying to do things a little differently.
Yeah, you're doing a great job, man. Keep it up.
Thanks so much.